Good morning, children. Evaluation. Page number 14. Problem letter 7. Solve the given problems. First question. Two bodies have a mass ratio of 3:4. The force applied on the bigger mass produces an acceleration of 12 meters per second square. What would be the acceleration of the other body if the same force acts on it? Two objects of masses m1 equal to 3, m2 equal to 4. Then bigger mass acceleration, so a2 equal to 12 meter per second square. What would be the acceleration of the other body? a1 equal to dash. If the same force f1 equal to f2. Then given two bodies have a mass ratio three is to 4. Two objects. So first object m1, second object m2, then m1 equal to 3 kg and m2 equal to 4 kg and produces acceleration of a2 equal to 12 meter per second square. Then to find a1. Then two bodies have a mass ratio 3:4. m1 equal to 3 and m2 equal to 4. Then acceleration a2 equal to 12 meter per second square. To find acceleration a1, then a1 equal to what? Then forces, two mass also forces f1 equal to f2. Therefore f1 equal to same force, f1 equal to f2. Then solution. General formula F equal to ma. Here two objects are there, so f1 equal to m1 a1, f2 equal to m2 a2. f1 equal to m1 a1 and f2 equal to m2 a2. Therefore m1 a1 equal to m2 a2. To find a1, a1 equal to m2 into a2 by m1. Then mass of second object m2 equal to 4 into acceleration a2 equal to 12 meter per second square. 12 divided by m1 equal to 3. Then 3 4s are 12. Then 4 into 4, 16. Then acceleration unit meter per second square. So 16 meter per second square. Then a1 equal to 16 meter per second square. Second question. A ball of mass 1 kg moving with the speed of 10 meter per second rebounds after a perfect elastic collision with the floor. Calculate the change in linear momentum of the ball. A ball of mass 1 kg and speed, initial velocity 10 meter per second, rebounds after collision. So final velocity minus 10 meter per second. To find change in linear momentum. Given mass of a ball equal to 1 kg. Mass of a ball equal to 1 kg. Ball mass 1 kg. And initial velocity u equal to 10 meter per second. Then rebounds, the final velocity v equal to opposite direction. So minus 10 meter per second. then mass 1 kg and initial velocity u equal to 10 meter per second. Then final velocity v equal to opposite direction, so minus 10 meter per second. To find change in linear momentum. Change in linear momentum. Change in linear momentum is delta P. Delta P. To find delta P. Then solution. Change in linear momentum delta P formula mv minus mu. Delta P equal to mv minus mu. Then mass 1 kg, m equal to 1 into velocity v minus 10 minus m mass 1 kg into initial velocity 10 meter per second. 10. 1 into minus 10 minus 10 minus 1 into 10 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Then change in linear momentum unit kilogram meter per second. So unit kilogram meter per second. Delta P equal to minus 20 kilogram meter per second. Next, third question. A mechanic unscrew a nut by applying a force of 140 Newton with a spanner of length 40 centimeter. What should be the length of the spanner if a force of 40 Newton is applied to unscrew the same nut? First force F1, applying force F1 equal to 140 Newton and length L1 equal to 40 centimeter. What would be the other length? Other length means L2 equal to 2 find. Then force F2 equal to 40 Newton. Force F1, first force F1 equal to 140 Newton. Length L1 equal to 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter changes into meter. For unit, force unit Newton, so changes into meter. 40 centimeter changes into meter means 40 divided by 100 equal to 4 divided by 10 equal to 0.4 meter. Then second force F2 equal to 40 Newton. To find length, second length L2 equal to find. Then solution. In both cases, moment of force F1 into D1 equal to F2 into D2. In general formula, F1 into D1 equal to F2 into D2. General formula, here distance means length. So, F1 into L1 equal to F2 into L2. Distance changes into length. So, F1 into L1 equal to F2 into L2. F1 into L1 equal to F2 into L2. To find L2, L2 equal to F1 into L1 by F2. Substituting the values. L2 equal to force F1 140 into L1 40 centimeter changes into meter, so 0.4 meter divided by F2 40 Newton. L2 equal to 0 then 4, 0.1. 14 into 0.1 equal to 1.4 length meter. Then length L2 equal to 1.4 meter. Next, fourth question. The ratio of masses of two planets is 2:3 and the ratio of their radii is 4:7. Find the ratio of their accelerations due to gravity. Two ratios, ratio of masses, two planets is 2:3 and the ratio of the radii of two planets 4:7. Find the ratio of the acceleration due to gravity. G1 is to G2 equal to dash. Given the ratio of masses of two planets. Ratio of masses of two planets M1 is to M2 equal to 2:3. Ratio of the radii of two planets R1 is to R2 equal to 4:7. To find ratio of their acceleration due to gravity, G1 is to G2. Then solution. Acceleration due to gravity general formula G equal to Gm by R square. To find G1 and G2, G1 equal to G into M1 by R1 square. G2 equal to G into M2 by R2 square. First G1 equal to G M1 by R1 square. Equation 1. Then second G2 equal to G M2 by R2 square. Divide equation 1 and 2. G1 by G2 equal to G M1 by R square by G M2 by R square. Dividing equation 1 divided by equation 2. G1 divided by G2 equal to G M1 by R square. G M1 by R square divided by G2, G M2 by R square, G M2 by R square. The divider changes into multiplication for means reciprocal. G M1 by R square, R1 square, R2 square into R2 square by G M1, R2 square by G M2. And common G cancel. M1 into R2 square by R1 square into M2. Then M1 by M2. M1 by M2 into R1 R2 by R1 square. R2 by R1 the whole square. R2 square by R1 square. Then M1 by M2, mass of the planet 2:3. 2:3. So M1 by M2 equal to 2/3. Then radius R1 by R2 equal to 4/7. So M1 by M2 equal to 2/3 into R2 by R1, R2 by R1, R1 by R2 equal to 4/7, R2 by R1 equal to 7/4, 7/4, 7/4 the whole square. So G1 by G2 equal to 2/3 into 7 square, 7 into 7, 49 by 4 square, 4 into 4, 16. Then 2, 1, 8 2s are 16 equal to 1 into 49, 49 by 3 into 8, 24. G1 by G2 equal to 49 by 24. So G1 is to G2 equal to 49 is to 24. G1 by G2 equal to 49 by 24. G1 is to G2 equal to 49 is to 24. Accelerations due to gravity, G1 is to G2 equal to 49 is to 24. So we have completed first unit. Thank you, children.